Hey everyone, Seth here from JSB Home Solutions. Today we're diving into one of the most timeless kitchen styles, the traditional kitchen. If you've been dreaming of a space that exudes elegance and warmth while blending rich materials with classic design, then this style might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's explore how you can create a traditional kitchen that combines beauty, function, and lasting appeal. A traditional kitchen is defined by its rich dark wood cabinets, elegant moldings, and classic design elements. Think dark cherry or mahogany wood, ornate crown moldings, and intricate detailing on doors. The beauty of these cabinets is enhanced by timeless fixtures like classic pull handles, adding both sophistication and practicality to your space. So what makes a kitchen truly traditional? Well, the hallmark of this style lies in its use of raised panel cabinet doors, high-quality granite countertops, and those standout details that make everything feel meticulously crafted. From ornate moldings to elegant lighting fixtures, every detail in a traditional kitchen adds to its refined classic look. Granite countertops are often the star of a traditional kitchen. Their natural beauty and durability make them a favorite choice. Paired with raised panel cabinet doors, they create an inviting and elegant feel that stands the test of time. The ornate moldings above the cabinetry and elegant lighting fixtures add a touch of luxury, making your kitchen not just functional, but a true centerpiece of your home. Now let's talk about the benefits of choosing a traditional kitchen for your remodel. First, functionality. Traditional kitchens are designed with plenty of storage, spacious layouts, and timeless design that can stand up to the demands of everyday life. But that's not all. The warm wood tones and classic fixtures create a welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for family meals, casual gatherings, and special occasions. Another key benefit of a traditional kitchen, timeless appeal. The style is versatile, ensuring it never goes out of fashion. With high-end materials like wood and granite, your kitchen will maintain its charm for decades, and because of its classic beauty, it can also boost your home's value when it's time to sell. So, how do you create your dream traditional kitchen? Here are a few tips to get you started. Embrace dark wood cabinets. Choose rich dark woods like cherry or mahogany for your cabinetry. These materials bring sophistication and warmth to your space. Opt for classic details. Incorporate raised panel doors, crown moldings, and classic hardware to create that timeless look. Invest in quality countertops. Granite or marble countertops not only add elegance but also provide durability and functionality. Add elegant lighting fixtures. Choose lighting that adds a touch of class like polished brass or wrought iron chandeliers. Incorporate classic accessories. Think about vintage-inspired pieces like decorative vases or antique trays to elevate the space further. Can you start to see your vision for a traditional kitchen coming together? A traditional kitchen combines classic details with modern functionality, making it a smart investment for any home. At JSB Home Solutions, we're here to help you bring your dream kitchen to life. Ready to start your kitchen transformation? Schedule a consultation with one of our expert design consultants today. We're excited to help you create an elegant, functional kitchen you've always envisioned. Visit JSB Home Solutions for more information and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.